So Fenty Beauty came out with the Fenty Icon Semi-Matte Refillable lipsticks about a week ago. And I follow them on Instagram and I completely missed the buildup, which I'm kind of glad about. So by the time I saw it, it was just like already up on Sephora, at Fenty.com. It was like already there. And I saw the promo with Rihanna and these other lovely, amazing looking people with like amazing, stunning lips. It is the only promo that plays before some YouTube videos that I love. I watch it all the way through. I absolutely love it. So needless to say, I picked up some shades immediately from FentyBeauty.com. I have 3 with me now, but I wanted to show you how the refillable lipstick goes into the case that comes along with it. So I left one of them out so I can show you how that works. So I'm gonna get right to it. So this is what it looks like. So luxe, so beautiful. It has the Fenty on one side, has the Fenty Beauty monogram up here, the pentagonal shape, on brand, consistent. And when I first saw these, I thought that they were like silver, like chromish, but it's actually, I think, like a wash of like, more like a, not exactly rose gold, but like more pinkish than like silver, I will say. I mean, I love this. I think it's absolutely stunning. I got a case for all of the shades I purchased. You don't have to, but Fenty Beauty just, you know, slides the case on into your cart when you buy one of the refillable lipsticks. You can take them out. I will be getting cases for all of mine just because when I just have them sitting around, I want them in a case. Now, that being said, these refillable lipsticks, and this is what the lipstick itself looks like, are not cheap. I think they're like 30, 32, and then the case is 12. So you're talking about like 40 something dollars for a lipstick. So this is what the refillable lipstick looks like. And you just pull this cover off. So this is the Schala Sister shade, and it has the name of the shades on the side, which I really, really like. And so this is the case, and this part right here just slides out. That's what the lipstick refillable goes into. So you just slide that in here. It doesn't take too much time. Once you are able to push it in, so that it is like stable and secure inside this, and you can turn it up like this, and you can see this beautiful color like that. That's when you know it is secure enough to put back in the case. And so you just slide it in like this. So at first it's just gonna pop up like that, but even at this point, you are not able to shake it out of the case, like no matter what. It's very sturdy, and I really, really love that for like traveling, just in case it pops out. And then the final step is just pressing it in like that. So now it's like fully encased in the case, and the way that you get it out is to just turn it down here and it pops out, and you pull it out to use it. I love that. All right, so now that we are done and we know how to fill these beautiful cases with the refillable Icon semi-matte lipsticks, let's start swatching. This one is Balm Babe. So that's what Balm Babe looks like. And I love how they also attempted to have the pentagonal shape on the lipstick as well. I think that's very cute. It's not gonna last that long, but I love it. And I really love the look of this color. So let's see what it looks like on me. These also have that scent to it that's like what I feel is the original formula of the gloss bombs from Fenty Beauty. I love the smell, I love it. And this is described as a rose nude. I just knew when I saw this shade that I was gonna love it. It is so good. It's so good. It's just, it's a perfect nude shade for so many complexions. The feel of it is very soft and comfortable. I do have some lip gloss on, so that might add to it, but the finish of it even is very soft and, like it says, semi-matte, very cushiony. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna try out my MAC chestnut liner on this. Let's see what that gives. Absolutely stunning. So lovely. So now I'm gonna try Schala Sister, and that's what this shade looks like. I'm just gonna do a quick comparison with Balm Babe. Just so you see, these are a little similar, but this one, Balm Babe, is just a little bit deeper than Schala Sister. So, but this is the one that I'm gonna try on next. And Schala Sister is described as a rose nude. Yeah, you can see that this one is definitely rosier, a little bit pinkier. You can definitely see that. I would probably more likely wear this with a liner if I wear it out. Not as likely to wear it just like this, only because, I mean, this is a good nude for my skin tone, but it almost is like, it's hard to like really see. So yeah, let's see what it looks like with Chestnut by MAC and my new lining technique. I think the liner just gives it more emphasis. It just frames the shade, you know, so you can really like notice it. But I like it. I think this is really nice as well. But I think that if I'm gonna be honest, between Balm Babe and this Schala Sister, Balm Babe's my favorite. So now I'm gonna swatch the two red shades, MVP and Grill Master. So this one is Grill Master. That's what that looks like. And Grill Master is described as a maple red. This is definitely giving me maple leaf fall vibe, and I love it. Even though I feel like it can be worn like all seasons, I really, really like this. It's got this orangey tinge to it, but it's not like super orange, and it has reddishness to it as well, but it's not like a traditional red. Again, this is also, they've all for me been really comfortable and cushiony in application, and finish definitely giving semi-matte. So the very last shade I'm going to swatch is the MVP. This is what that looks like. And this is described as a blue red, which is the most traditional, iconic kind of red shade in a lipstick. This is like the traditional blue red. It's iconic. It's very Valentine's Day, which is right around the corner. Perfect shade for the occasion. What can I say? Like, you just can't go wrong with a beautiful, bold blue red, and this is no exception. I love it. The one other shade that I'm going to pick up that I missed out on and was very excited about when I watched the swatch of it is Major Magnet. Major Magnet is described as a cool taupe nude, and I just feel like that's gonna be my shade too. The way I feel about Ball & Babe, I feel like Major Magnet is gonna just give me even more of that. So that is the one other shade that I'm gonna pick up. The other shades, I've watched them swatched. I wasn't crazy about them. I didn't feel like I needed them. Like, I never feel like I wanna get like the entire collection. I wanna get what I feel is gonna look good on me. So, you know, that could change, but I know for sure I'm picking up Major Magnet. So that's gonna make 5 shades for me in this collection. And that's basically it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope that you got a lot out of it. If you were interested in seeing what some of these shades from Fenty Beauty's Icon Semi-Matte Refillable Lipstick collection look like on me. Did you get any of the shades from this collection? Are you planning to? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I love doing lip swatches of lipsticks and lip glosses on my channel. It is the most fun. Fenty Beauty is up there for me. I'm so excited that they came out with a collection that I actually just loved from the minute I saw them and loved the moment I got them in my hands. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video soon. Bye.